Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
Most of the people actually don't know what is the actual manufacturing process of knit garments. So in this video you are going to know how your clothes manufacture in the garments industry. So you can stay with us through the entire journey of textile manufacturing process. If we have a clear concept about section-wise direct involvement and their working activities in the production process, then we can get the actual concept of the textile manufacturing process. So let's get started our journey. At first, merchandising or marketing department collect order from the buyer. It is notable that the merchandising department plays a vital role in the textile industry, from order received to ex-factory. After receiving the technical file from the buyer, merchandising department booking yarn directly to the spinning mill or yarn department as per buyer requirement. After received the booking sheets from merchandiser, spinning mill started the yarn manufacturing as per booking sheets. During the time of yarn manufacturing, merchandising department prepare all the program sheets like lab dips program, sample program, knitting dyeing program, accessories booking program, etc. and give the all prepared booking program and technical file to the all concerned department. After received the program sheets and technical file, the all concerned department started their working activities like make pattern, marker, record sample making, etc. After completing the yarn manufacturing, the knitting department received the yarn from the spinning mill and started their working activities as per merchandiser's booking sheet. After complete the knitting, the dyeing and washing department received the knitted grey fabric and they also start their dyeing procedure as per merchandiser's booking sheets. After complete the full procedure of dyeing department, finished, dyed and washed fabric delivered to the fabric store department. Here, checking the fabric quality, that's called fabric inspection. After inspection and relaxation, cutting department received the fabric and started their working activities like spreading, pattern making, marker placement, cutting, sorting, numbering, bundling, etc. If required garments have any printing or embroidery, then printed or embroidery cutting part sent to the printing or embroidery department. After completing printing or embroidery, send all parts again to the cutting department and the cutting department checking the quality of print and embroidery. After that, all cutting parts are ready for sewing and the sewing department input all the cutting parts for sewing. After completing sewing and primary quality checking, output all the garments to the finishing department, and after receiving the garments, finishing department starts their working activities like suckering, ironing, quality checking, accessories attaching, folding, poly, packaging, etc. After packaging, all goods are ready for final inspection, and after passing the final inspection, all goods are ready for ex-factory. It should be remembered that all processes are done according to the buyer's requirement and according to the instructions of merchandisers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.